Hey there, and welcome to another Soundtrap walkthrough. The best way to learn from these videos is to view, pause, and imitate. View means watch what is being demonstrated in the video without copying at the same time. It's important to keep your attention on the concept being explained and demonstrated. When this screen comes up, you can pause the video. The concepts just explained will be listed on the screen, so while the video is paused, you can then imitate and explore the concept which was just shown. As a side note, if any templates are used in this walkthrough, feel free to use a different template or your own song because Soundtrap regularly updates their templates and the one used in the walkthrough may not be available anymore. Alright, let's begin with another Soundtrap walkthrough. Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial in Soundtrap on how to play a song. Let's check it out. We're in our home screen at the moment, which is where you access all of your songs from. We don't have any songs yet, so we're going to go down to Enter Studio. Let's click that. And when you click Enter Studio, it takes you into the main area where you can create songs, you can add to songs that you've already made. Here we have some templates. We're going to go to the pop template, so let's check that out. The pop template is just a song that's already been made, and it's going to allow us just a little bit of a demo to check out how Soundtrap works. Okay, we've opened the song, so let's have a play now. So you can either play by pushing the play button down here, or you can actually push spacebar as well. So you can hear the song playing. And to pause it or stop, you can push the play button again, or you can push spacebar. And you'll notice as the song was playing, this purple marker was moving across the screen. That's the playback marker there. And you actually see that it's moving along the numbers as well here. These are not seconds, these are bars. I'm going to talk about that in a later video. But it gives you a bit of an indication of how far into the song you are. So when we're playing, you can also move that marker by clicking somewhere around here in the numbers as well. So if we're playing it and I want to push it back, I can just click, or back here. Maybe I want to go forward. You can also do that with these jump buttons down here. So rewind, or the fast forward, and you can do that with the arrow keys as well. So pushing left for rewind or fast forward. And if you want to stop and go straight back to the start, you can actually push the jump back to the start button down here, and you'll see it actually turns into a stop button. You can actually do that with your keyboard as well. So if I had the song playing here while it's paused, just push the enter button and it goes all the way back to the start. Now, another way to play your song is to just cycle through a small part of it in case you want to listen to a particular part and fix it up. So cycling mode uses the cycle bar here. You can turn it on by pushing this cycle mode button here. You'll see that it turned purple, or you can actually just click on it to turn it on and off as well. So let's have a listen what it does.
If I had wings now, I would try, just like an eagle.
And there you go. Now it's gone back to the start and it's cycled just this area. So you can move where this cycle bar is, and you can actually make it smaller or larger just by grabbing the sides of it. So let's make it really, really small, and let's click here. Let's have a listen.
Beneath the treetops, beneath the treetops, beneath
And now it will just cycle over and over again. Actually hasn't changed your song. It's just the way that you're listening back to it. Okay, and now you can see that the song starts to go off to the screen. You can scroll across if you want to, and you can actually use the scrolling down here as well. It makes it a little bit hard to see because there's so much of the song. So what you can actually do is you can zoom in and out using the plus and minus here. So I'm going to zoom out and now, I'm zooming in, or you can zoom out and now you can see your whole song, which is going to make it easy to jump to the start or the end if you want to. Now that we've finished using the song, what you can do is you can push the Exit Studio button up here, and this will take you back to the home screen. So there you have it, a very basic way of playing the song, moving the play marker around, moving forwards and backwards, and stopping, and the cycle mode and zoom controls. And thanks for watching another Soundtrap walkthrough. If you enjoyed this video, you can like and subscribe, and why not check out some of our other Soundtrap walkthrough videos.